The ocean was alone. In order to feel his existence, he became many. He crystallized and an island was formed on the surface. From the island, so many ice balls were formed. Within the ice balls, a feeling of separation embodied. They begin to think they are ice balls who have free will and choice.
I feel there is something beyond this island, and I want to find it out. You mean another world? Don't be so foolish.
Hey, there is nothing beyond. This is the only reality. This happiness and sorrows which life offers us is the only truth.
From my heart, an intuitive voice says, find out the truth.
He dug a pit that almost touched the ocean, but he was so tired, so he took a break. When he woke up, he was astonished to see that the pit he made was filled again.
Oh my God, where is the pit I made? All my efforts went in vain.
If you want to find out what is beneath the land, do not rest until you see it. It is not a part-time cave. If you stop, you are giving the ice an opportunity to reform. Do it continuously.
Oh, now I got a new life from your words. Who are you, sir?
I am the one whom you are going to see beneath.
He worked hard non-stop. Suddenly, there appeared a narrow hole through which the fountain of water gushed out. Deep inside, he started to feel such a peace and joy that he never felt before. The ocean he was seeing through the hole appeared to him as a separate, wonderful part of life. He started to worship the water, and he shared this message to others. But they only saw what is beneath them, the ice blocks.
Hey, at last I found it. I can't believe it is moving. It is so free. It is deathless. I can't take any more. It can't be dead. Nothing affected.
It's so hard and rigid. He's lying.
I found the greatest mystery in this world. Let us worship this.
Do not stay outside my world. The one you are enjoying is your own reality. It is yourself. Surrender to it. Jump into it and merge with it.
Oh no, sir. I'm scared. And how can this flexible moving water be my reality? I'm so rigid. Better I worship this.
At last, in the presence of the old man, somehow it happened. He jumped into it.
That is it. Nobody can do it for you.
Oh, it is indescribable. I and this water are one. No separation. Only it appears to be so. Even this island is one with this water. We are not ice balls. We are the water itself, the blissful ocean. This water is our reality. Even though it appears in different forms, it is water only.
What a liar. We should kill him. Otherwise he will confuse people.
Something is there. Maybe it is true. But I do not feel it right now. Sir, I feel very peaceful in your presence. But I can't see what you are seeing. Can you help me? It is everybody's truth. You do not need to go anywhere for that. Just dig where you stand. But continuously, you are standing on that truth.
His identification with the body-mind has totally lost. There appeared an impersonal witnessing of whatever arisen in the water. And slowly, the apparent me in the ice ball also disappeared with the impersonal gaze of the water.
There is only the ultimate principle water. All the apparent realities, the ocean, Iceland, and ice balls appear in it without any reason.
Awakening is a revelation that there is no separate individual or person ever existing. There is only the infinite ocean of pure awareness. Within that awareness, there appears to be an apparent separation, which actually does not happen. It's a miracle which can be solved. It's a divine drama.